Vehicle washing. Quick detailing exterior. Car wash without water with products. Copro, Chemical Guys, MEGWRS, 3D. Ec2 is a new product for washing without water and rinse aid that has cost Copro more than 2 years of development. It had to work in harmony with the coatings, and also provide good cleaning and shine power to untreated surfaces. Based on C2 molecules and an organic lubricant base, Ec2 cleans and brightens all surfaces outside the vehicle. Paint and chrome will look amazingly bright, and it's easy to use even in full sun or on hot panels. It is the Copro solution to achieve a wash without scratch-free water, and with the best results. Interior auto detailing, integral car cleaning. Karcher professional cleaning and disinfection. Specialized cleaning offers professional, interior car cleaning services. We use original Karcher professional products. We move to your house. We guarantee 100% dirt removal, 99.9% disinfection, and 95% remove stains. We eliminate 100% of the bad smells from your car. Headlight polishing. Headlight and pilot restoration. We leave it as new. Renew the look of your vehicle's headlights with our opaque headlight restoration service. With the headlamp polishing service, you will improve the visibility of your headlights, also returning their brightness and lighting capacity. Advantages. It allows to pass the IF. Economical, we recover transparency without buying a new headlight. Increase the value of the used car with a small investment. Quick application at any time we renew the piece. Home service included in our rates. Our all mentioned services location is in Madrid, Spain. Thanks for watching. ProNano Truck and Car Wash. Our products have been designed for contactless and scratch-free cleaning of various vehicles, i.e. cars, pickups, vans, trucks and trailers, tractors, etc. These car and truck cosmetics are extremely efficient, high quality and based on nanotechnology. We have a team of professionals with years of experience in the bussiness. You can trust them with your vehicles as they bring them back to life. Our car and truck wash is located in Emmeloord, Netherlands. Product TUEC 9. 8304 AV Emmeloord. Usage and mixing ratio, 15 ml of diamond wax and 985 ml of water in 1L cup. Spray the vehicle from the bottom to the top. Wait 30 seconds so the nanoparticles can settle in pores. Rinse it off thoroughly with low pressure to remove excess wax residue. Very dirty cars/trucks. ProNano Plus low pressure. Usage and mixing ratio, 50 ml of ProNano Plus and 950 ml of water in 1L cup. Spray the vehicle from the bottom to the top. Wait 1.5 minutes allowing the product do its depth cleaning action. ProNano Plus, foam method high pressure. Usage and mixing ratio, 250 ml of ProNano Plus and 750 ml of water in 1L cup. Spray the vehicle from the bottom to the top. Wait 2 to 3 minutes allowing the product do its depth cleaning action. Rinse it off thoroughly from the bottom to the top using the high pressure washer. Diamond Nano Wax high pressure. Usage and mixing ratio, 100 ml of diamond wax and 900 ml of water in 1L cup. Spray the vehicle from the bottom to the top. Wait 30 seconds so the nanoparticles can settle in pores. Rinse it off thoroughly with low pressure to remove stains. Cleaning car/truck using ProNano Activator car and truck. ProNano Plus, foam method high pressure. Usage and mixing ratio, 250 ml of Pronano Plus and 750 ml of water in 1L cup. Spray the vehicle from the bottom to the top. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the product do its depth cleaning action. Pronano Activator Car and Truck. Mixing ratio: 200 ml of Pronano Activator and 800 ml of water in 1L cup. Apply with low pressure, and spray only on the aluminum, stainless steel area, i.e. grille, bar side steps, bumper guards, etc. Warning: avoid any other parts, including alcohol or Dura, bright wheels, because it may cause some chemical reaction due to being a strong product. Wait max 20 to 30 seconds, and rinse it off thoroughly using the high-pressure washer. Rinse it off thoroughly the entire car/truck from the bottom to the top using the high-pressure washer. Diamond Nano Wax High Pressure Usage and Mixing Ratio: 100 ml of diamond wax and 900 ml of water in 1L cup. Spray the vehicle from the bottom to the top. Wait 30 seconds so the nanoparticles can settle in pores. Rinse it off thoroughly with low pressure to remove excess wax residue. Deep washing. Cleaning kit plus leather seats, interior deep cleaning seat, disinfection of air conditioning and ventilation channels, deep cleaning vehicle interiors / detailing, deep cleaning furniture, leather seat cleaning plus interior complete. Skin cleansing includes degreasing with safe skin agents, steam and antibacterial disinfecting, application of skin care and protection. In addition to parts of the interior from the skin to the last detail will be cleaned. All parts of furniture, seats, upholstery, floors, mats, trunk, sky, plastics, dashboard, sleepers, poles, handrails, umbrellas and all other plastic parts, as well as glass surfaces. Car polishing plus waxing. If you wash your car with a car brush or do a car wash with an unprofessional face, swirls that are circular and visible in the sun will probably appear in the sun sooner or later. On dark colors, such traces are more noticeable. There is also a solution for damage caused by contact with another vehicle: bird acid, scale, rust, resin, tar, nail marks and keys around the locks. Ceramic vehicle protection / System X protection. Save the look of your vehicle with nano ceramic coating. System X works at the molecular level, transforming the treated surface. The coating contains nano-ceramic silica particles SiO2, which, after application, create a protective layer on the surface, with greater hardness than the varnish itself. Features: Europumps, high-efficiency hand tools. Europumps professional high-pressure grade cleaning tools are designed for time-critical and export-quality cleaning, and proven in abattoirs, small goods manufacturing, food processing plants, and sterile horticultural environments. Because of the efficiency of the Europump's professional high-pressure grade cleaning tools when used with the Europump's Smotsons pumps, our clients enjoy a huge cost benefits due to the drastic reduction in water consumption. In fact, the average result Europumps has achieved to date for our clients has been a 60% reduction in water consumption on the equipment it was installed onto. The best result we have posted to date is an 85% reduction in water consumption. Heavy-duty two-way cleaner HD2WC. Introducing the revolutionary Europumps HD2WC heavy-duty, two-way cleaner, a professional high-pressure cleaning tool that's the answer to many of your difficult cleaning problems. Its two-way action is ideal for difficult and hard-to-reach areas that are impossible to clean any other way. Great for cleaning under edges with limited bending required. HD2WC is very operator-friendly, far less tedious than a scourer. Very fast cleaning. The Europumps HD2WC heavy-duty, two-way cleaner, the perfect tool for hard-to-reach areas. If you'd like to know more, contact Europumps today. Heavy-duty 3-head turbo HD3HD. The Europumps HD3HD, the heavy-duty 3-head turbo, is a professional high-pressure cleaning tool with 3 focused heads that allows an amazing water flow of up to 60 liters per minute. 3-head design allows more minimum water flow, guaranteeing a thorough wash. Outputs up to 60 liters per minute, ensuring removal of meat/flour/dirt very quickly. The Europumps HD3HD is the ultimate power scrubber. HD3HD halves cleaning time at minimum, gives a thorough wash. The Europumps HD3HD heavy-duty, 3-head turbo, the ultimate power scrubber. If you'd like to know more, contact Europumps today. Heavy-duty 3-way cleaner HD3WC. Introducing the Europumps HD3WC, the heavy-duty 3-way cleaner, a specialized professional, high-pressure cleaning tool underneath equipment and around factory fixtures. A unique cleaning tool that cleans in multiple directions at once, significantly reducing cleaning time and effort, and allows the operator to clean areas where other tools or hoses could not reach. The HD3WC heavy-duty 3-way cleaner cleans under edge and difficult areas in one pass. 3-way cleaner has excellent balance, reducing operator fatigue, and is the fastest way to remove bulk fat/tar in traditionally difficult areas. If you'd like to know more about the Europumps HD3WC heavy-duty 3-way cleaner, heavy-duty foam gun, short lance HDFGSL and long lance HDFGLL. Introducing the Europumps HDFGLL and HDFGSL heavy-duty foam guns, available in either long or short lance. The short lance ideal for greater maneuverability in tight places and confined areas around plant and equipment, while the long lance give added reach. But no matter whatever tool you choose, there's difference in foam application. The Europumps heavy-duty foam guns foam up in seconds. Use very little soap. Give a very thorough foam application. The long lance allows access high areas without a problem, while the short lance is ideal for tight spaces. No matter whether you choose the Europumps HD